Welcome to the course on advanced power electronics. So we will cover topic today power quality. So with the outline of presentation, we will cover like introduction to power quality, state of art on the power quality, classification of power quality problem, classification of mitigation techniques for power quality problem, active shunt compulsion, active series compulsion, solved numerical example and references. So the term power quality, electric power quality is generally referred as to maintain the good quality of power at the level of generation, transmission, distribution and utilization of AC electrical power. And the pollution of electric power supply system is much severe at utilization level. There are a number of reasons for the pollution of AC supply system, such as natural ones like lightning, flashover, equipment failure, fault around 60%, and forced one such as voltage distortion, notches about 40%. A number of customer equipment also pollute the supply system as they draw non-sinusoidal current and behave as non-linear load. And the power quality problem in supply system may result in failure or maloperation of customer equipment. So power quality problem related to voltage at the point of common coupling are voltage harmonics, surge, spikes, notches, sags, dips, swells, unbalanced fluctuations, glitches, flicker, and outages, etc. And voltage power quality problems are present in the supply system due to various disturbances in the system or due to presence of various non-linear loads such as furnaces, uninterrupted power supply, adjustable speed drive. And some of the power quality problems related to current drawn from AC mains are poor power factor, reactive power burden, harmonic currents, unbalanced current, and excessive neutral current in polyphase system due to unbalancing and harmonic current generated by some nonlinear load. So these power quality problems are causes failure of capacitor bank, increased losses in distribution system and electrical machine, noise, vibration, over voltage, and excessive current in due to resonance, and negative sequence current in generator and motor especially do cause rotary heating, deheating of cables, dielectric background, interference with communication system, signal interference, and relay and breaker malfunction, false metering, interference to the motor controller and digital controller, etc. So the power quality has become an important area of study in electrical engineering, especially in electrical distribution system and utilization system due to these problems, and it has created a great challenge to electric utility to supply good quality of power to their consumers. And the number of techniques are evolved for mitigation of these problems resulted in a new direction of research and development activities for the design and development engineers working in the field of power electronics, power system, electric drive, digital signal processing and sensor. And apart from these issues, a number of standards and patents are developed by various organizations such as IEEE, IEC, which are enforced on the customer, utility and manufacturer to minimize or eliminate the power quality problem. So a series of power filters of various types such as passive, active and hybrid in shunt, in series or in combination are used externally depending upon the nature of loads such as voltage fed loads or current fed loads or combination of them to mitigate these problems. And the custom power devices such as distribution steady compensator, DStatCom, dynamic voltage DVR and UPQC are used to mitigate the current voltage and both power quality problem. So power quality improvement technique based on modification of an input stage of these system with power factor corrected converters, also known as improved power quality AC-DC converter, multiple AC-DC converter, matrix converter for AC-DC or AC-AC conversion, etc., which inherently mitigate some of these power quality problems in them and to supply system by drawing clean power from the utility. Coming to state of art on power quality, the customer equipment have become much more sensitive to power quality problem due to the use of digital control and power electronics converter and the increased use of solid state controller in number of equipment with other benefits such as decreasing the losses, increasing overall efficiency and reducing the cost of production. The solid state controller have resulted in increased harmonic level, distortion, notches and other power quality problems, and typical examples are adjustable speed drive, energy saving electronic ballast, etc. and disturbances to other appliances, important appliances such as television network, telecommunication network, TV, computers, meeting, protection system, etc. And the deregulation of power system has increased the importance of power quality as consumers are using power quality as performance indicator, and distributed generation using renewable energy and other local energy sources have increased power quality problem. So the pollution of power networks with power quality problem has become an environmental issue with other consequences in addition to financial issues. Several standards and guidelines are developed and enforced on the customer, manufacturer and utility at law or discipline of the land. So a remarkable growth in research and development work on evolving the mitigation techniques of power quality problem has been observed in the past quarter century. An increased emphasis has been given on quantifying, monitoring, awareness, impacts, and evolving the mitigation technique of power quality problem. Now coming to classification of power quality problem. So classification on basis of event, tangent and steady state, the quantity such as current, voltage and frequency or load and supply system, etc. And tangent type of power quality problems are impulse or oscillating nature, sag, swell, short duration voltage variation, power quality variation, power frequency variation, voltage fluctuation. And steady type power quality problems are long duration voltage variation, waveform distortion, voltage unbalance, notches, DC offset, flicker, poor power factor, load current unbalance, load harmonics current, and excessive neutral current, etc. And second classification on the basis of quantity is voltage, current, and frequency, etc. And third classification is based on whether it is in load or due to the load, or either due to or in the supply system. And power quality problem due to nature of the load is fluctuating load such furnaces. The load current consists of harmonics, reactive power component current, unbalanced current, neutral current, DC offset, etc. And power quality problems in the supply system consist of voltage and frequency related issues such as notches, voltage distortion, unbalance, sag, swell, flicker, noise, etc. Now coming to causes of power quality problems. The main cause for these power quality problems can be classified as natural and man-made, and the natural causes are fault, lightning, weather condition such as storms, equipment failure, etc. The natural causes of power quality problems are tangent in nature such as voltage, sag, swell, impulsive, oscillating tangent, and the man-made is due to loads and or system operations, and the cause is due to nonlinear load is saturating transformer, electrical machines, solid state control like vapor lamp, paste, lighting system, adjustable speed, UPS, arc furnaces, power supply, computers, TVs. So nonlinear load draws the harmonic current of various harmonics such as characteristic harmonic, non-characteristic harmonic, interharmonics, subharmonics, reactive power component of current, fluctuating current, unbalanced current from AC main, excessive neutral current in three-phase four-wire system. The majority of rotating electrical machines, magnetic devices such as transformer, reactor, chokes, magnetic balllast, behave as a nonlinear due to saturation in their magnetic circuit geometry, such as presence of teeth and slot winding distribution, air gap, asymmetry, and many fluctuating loads are furnaces, electric hammers, and frequency switching devices exhibit very highly nonlinear behavior as an electrical load, like an electric hammer. Third is non-saturating electrical load such as power capacitor behave as nonlinear load at AC mains. They create a number of power quality problems due to the switching, resonance, and the magnetic component in the system. So they are overloaded due to the harmonics current caused by the presence of harmonic voltage in the supply system. The fourth is AC load, consisting of solid state converter is widely used to feed control power to electrical loads such as lighting devices with electronic ballast, control heating element, magnetic power supplies, battery charger, fans, computers, copier, TV switch mode power supply, computers and other equipment, furnaces, electroplating, electromechanical process, electrochemical process, adjustable speed drive and electric traction, air conditioning system, pump, wastewater treatment plant, elevator, conveyor and cranes, etc. Now coming to nonlinear load, fluorescent lighting and other vapor lamps with electronic ballast, LED light also with, typically the switch mode power supply, then computer, copier and television sets, then printer, scanner and fax machine, Xerox machines, high frequency welding machines, fans with electronics regulator, then microwave ovens and induction heating devices, then medical equipment, variable frequency based HVAC heating, ventilation, air conditioning system, battery chargers and fuel cells, then electric traction, then arc furnaces, then the cycle converter, plasma power supply, wind and solar power generation, HVDC transmission system, other loads such as adjustable drive, state slip recovery schemes of on-rotating, static VR compensator, magnetic power supply, static field excitation. Other classification of non-linear load is like classification based on non-linear and non-solid state device type of with the solid state devices like converter type, AC DC converter type, AC voltage controller type, cycle converter type, their nature based strip current pad type, strip voltage pad type, or mix of them, and fourth is the number of phases. The most of the non-linear non-solid state device type non-linear, most of the electrical machines and magnetic devices, the number of physical phenomena in these electrical machines cause their behavior as non-linear load. Saturation magnetic material of these machines and electromagnetic devices, scan at proximity effect in conductor, non-linear air gap in rotating machines, effect of teeth and slotting, result in harmonic current under steady state and tangents, conditions, solid state devices type non-linear load, they draw non-sinusoidal current from AC mains, harmonic currents, reactive power component of current along with the fundamental active power component of current. They use various AC-DC converter, then AC voltage controller, touch cycle converter, or combination of them in front of front-end converter. Then microwave oven, induction heaters, television sets, electronic ballast based lighting system, domestic inverter, resistive speed based air conditioner, AC voltage regulator based fans, typical example here, and computers, commercial office and industrial equipment like copier, fax machine, xerox machine, scanner, printer, small welding sets, typical example here, and adjustable speed fusion HVAC system, wastewater treatment plant, large industrial drive, pumps, compressors, cranes, elevators, electromechanical process such as electroplating, electromining. Example, distributed single phase load of all three phases such as electron ballast based lighting system, computer loads in high story building, all other single phase loads. Now converter based non-linear load, AC DC converter, AC voltage controller, cycle converter, or combination of them typically. Now coming to classification, AC-DC converter classification, single phase, three phase, then single phase or three phase, single uncontrolled, semi-controlled, fully controlled, then half wave, full wave, bridge, and doubler. Then in case of semi-controlled, half wave, bridge, and full, and fully controlled, half wave, full wave, bridge, and dual, and typically three phase in uncontrolled, half wave, full wave, bridge, and multiples. Semi-controlled, then half wave, full wave, bridge, and fully controlled, half wave, full wave, bridge, dual converter, and multiples converter. So typically large number of loads use AC-DC converter as front-end converter from P watt to megawatt rating. So various circuit topology like a single phase, three phase, uncontrolled, semi-controlled, fully controlled, half wave, full wave, bridge. Various type of your current pad load, controlled AC-DC converter, then the AC to AC converter, then AC to AC converter with transformer, microwave one, SMPS, computer, fax machine, battery charger, HVAC system, electric traction, adjustable speed drive, and they draw with excessive harmonic current with high cross factor. They draw current with moderate harmonics and reactive power at low cross factor even with the less sinusoid. They exhibit poor power factor at AC due to harmonics only and along with the reactive power. AC voltage controller, they draw the harmonic current along with the reactive power and power factor. Factor example is AC voltage regulator, power fans, lighting controller, heating controller, soft starter, stick VR compensator in TCR. Now speed controller and energy saving controller of the three-phase induction motor operating under light load condition in number of applications such as hexa, electro-MR, wood saw cutting machine. Typical example, cycle control based on it, the harmonic current not only higher order but subharmonics of Fourier 2 and reactive power and execute a poor factor. For example, large cycle control pad, large rating synchronous motor drive in cement mills, core crushing plant, large rating skull cage induction motor, slip recovery schemes in bound motor drive, variable speed, constant frequency generation system. Now nature-based classification like strip current source, strip voltage source, mixed load. The strip current pad load normally consists of AC-DC converter with constant DC current load with predetermined harmonic pattern in AC mains with reactive power burden. The strip voltage pad load consists of generally AC-DC converter with large capacitor at DC bus to provide ideal DC voltage source for remaining process of solid state conversion and draw peaky current from AC mains with a high power correct factor. Generally have predetermined kind of pattern of harmonics. So sometimes they have a reactive power burden on the AC mains. They have a flat current waveform from AC mains, low value of crest factor. Typical example, thyristor converter with heavy current inductive load. For example, AC-DC converter feeding DC motor drive, magnetic power supply, field excitation system, alternator control, AC-DC converter used for drive DC source for feeding current source inverter, large rating AC motor, HVDC system, magnetic power supply. They we have like a sinks of harmonic, voltage pad harmonic. So typical example, AC-DC converter with large DC capacitor. They generally do not have reactive power requirement, but they much greater amount have harmonic current drawn from AC mains. Typical direct requires the heavy capacitive load. The switch mode power supply, battery charger, front end converter for voltage source inverter for DC motor drive, electronic ballast, most of the electronic appliances, battery charger. Now supply based classification: single phase, 2 wire, 3 phase, 3 wire, 3 phase, 4 wire, and then 2 wire system, single phase direct wire, AMI converter, thyristor converter. Typical example, direct wire with the capacitor filter. They draw harmonic current, sometimes they draw reactive power from AC mains. Now typical example, load power supply, electronic fan regulator, electronic ballast, computer, television, traction. They 3 phase, 3 wires, so they inject harmonic, sometimes they draw reactive power, sometimes also have unbalanced current, consume major amount of electric power. Example is direct wire with a resistive load. Typical example, DC motor, AC motor, HVDC system, wind power conversion system. Example, 4 wire load like a 3 single phase rectifier. You can just even have a square wave current, then the net current is of your neutral current is the same as the phase current, but 3 times the frequency, as you can see here. There the harmonic current, reactive power, unbalanced current, excessive neutral current, voltage distortion, voltage unbalance. Typical chemical or computer or electronic balance load, power quality problems caused by non-linear load, like increased RMS current, increased losses, poor power factor, poor utilization of distribution system, heating of component of distribution, derating of distribution system, distortion in voltage waveform at PC, which indirectly affect many equipment, interference controller of many other type of equipment, capacitor bank failure due to voltage resonance, harmonic amplification and nuisance reason, excessive neutral current, harmonic voltage at neutral point, maloperation of protection systems such as voltage relay, voltage regulation and reflection, imbalance in three-phase system, derating of cables and feeder. The voltage imbalance creates substantial problem due to electrical machine due to negative sequence current, noise, vibration, torque pulsation, rotor heating. Of course, they are derating. These are the table of power quality problem causes to tangent type, short duration voltage, long duration voltage, with the category categorization causes and effect, and the voltage distortion, voltage fluctuation, voltage flicker, voltage fluctuation, power potential. So now coming to effect of power quality problems on users. So major financial loss due to interruption of process, equipment damage, production loss, wastage of raw material, loss of important data, etc. For example, in automotive industry process, namely semiconductor manufacturing industry, etc., where even a small voltage dip or sag has caused interruption of process for several hours, waste of raw material, etc. So some the power quality problems affect the production system and result in maloperation of productive devices, interrupt many operations and process in the industry and other establishment. They also affect many types of measuring instrument and metering of the various quantities such as voltage, current, power, energy, etc. Moreover, these problems affect the monitoring system in much critical, important, emergency, vital and costly equipment. The harmonic current increase losses in number of electrical equipment and distribution systems, and wastage of energy, poor utilization of utility assets such as transformer, feeder, overloading of power capacitors, noise and vibration, electrical machines, disturbance and interference to electronic appliances and communication network. Now coming to classification of mitigation technique of power quality problem. So the first is passive filter using capacitor and reactors. Passive component like capacitor, reactor, custom power devices, dynamic voltage restorer, distribution steady composer, unified power quality conditioner, series of power filter like active filter, passive filter and hybrid filter, power quality AC/DC converter, multi-pulse converter, matrix converter. Now coming to power quality standard and monitoring. A number of standard and benchmark are developed by various organizations such as IEEE, IEC. They have several standards like IEEE 519, IEC 61000 on permissible limit, and the level of deviation, distortion in various quantity. Electrical quantities such voltage, current, power factor, and continuous power quality monitoring detects, records, and leads to the prevention of power quality problems. And this is the list of some of the standards of various issues of power quality problems. Now coming to power quality problems. तो voltage based power quality problem like power frequency variation, voltage spike, harmonics and harmonics, voltage unbalance, flicker, voltage sags and normal, monotone interruption, tangent, etc. And current based power quality problems like reactive power compensation, voltage regulation, current harmonic compensation, load unbalancing for three-phase system, neutral current compensation for three-phase four-wire system. Like a voltage sags, a decrease in normal voltage level from 10 to 90% for nominal voltage to frequency for duration of your 0.5 cycle to 1 minute, as you can see here with the different value. Then the causes of voltage sag, faults on the transmission or distribution, faults in consumer installation, connection of heavy loads and startup of large motor load. Consequence of voltage sag, malfunction of microprocessor based control system, PC, PLC, SD, and they may lead to a process of stoppage, tripping of conductors and electromechanical relay, disconnection and loss of efficiency in electrical rotating machine. The voltage valve, the momentary increase in the voltage at power frequency outside the normal tolerances with deviation more than 1 cycle, typically less than 3 seconds, as you can see here the diagram. Now causes of voltage swells, start of stop of wheel load, poor dimension power switches, poorly regulated transformer. Consequences of voltage swells is flickering of lighting and pre-scanning, damage, stopping of damage sensitive equipment, micro interruption, the total interruption of electric supply for duration millisecond to 1 to 2 seconds, as you can see here. The causes of micro interruption is opening or automatic reclosure of protection device, insulation failure, lightning and insulation flash over. And consequence of interruption, tripping of protective devices, loss of inbounds and malfunction of data processing equipment, stoppage of sensitive equipment such as stabilized by personal computer like account logic controllers. And here total interruption for duration more than 1 to 2 seconds. And causes of long interruption, equipment failure in the power system network, storms and objects like tree, cars, etc., striking lines on pole fire, human error, bad coordination of failure of protection, consequences of long interruption like stoppage of power equipment. So very fast voltage spike, very fast variation of the voltage value during for several microseconds to each microsecond. So causes voltage is due to lighting, switching of line of power factor correction, capacitor disconnection of wheel load. Consequence of voltage spike, restriction of component of and insulation material, data processing errors and data log, and electromagnetic interference. Voltage fluctuations, oscillation of voltage value, amplitude modulating signal with low frequency. Causes of voltage fluctuations, arc furnaces, frequent start-stop electric motors for instance elevator, oscillating load. Consequence of voltage fluctuation, most consequences are common to under voltage, fluctuating of flickering of lighting and screen, and voltage notching, as you can see here. Tangent disturbance like oscillating tangent, impulsive tangent, voltage unbalance, unbalance, voltage variation in the three-phase system in which three magnitude of volt and angle difference between them are not equal. Causes of voltage unbalance, large single phase load, induction furnace traction load, incorrect distribution of loads by three-phase of system. Consequence of voltage unbalance, the most affected loads are three-phase induction machine, increase in loss for noise, superimposing high frequency signals on the waveform of the power frequency. Causes of noise, electromagnetic interference, improper grounding may also be caused. Consequences of noise, disturbances or on sensitive electronic equipment may cause data loss or data processing error. And harmonic distortion, voltage or current as a non-sinusoidal, which can be analyzed as a fundamental and sum of harmonic. And you can see how kind of harmonic distortion comes by adding the third harmonic. You get a key current, or you may get a like TAD maybe is not also like it's 78% with the third harmonics injection. Now coming to power quality terminology. The flicker, the impression of unsteady visual sensation induced by lighting stimulus, whose illumination or spectral distribution fluctuates with time. Fundamental component, the component of order of 50 or 60 or 40 is operating imbalance voltage or current, the ratio of negative sequence component to positive sequence expressed as a percentage synchronous. Impulsive tangent, a sudden non-linear frequency change in steady state condition of voltage. Will also instance when the use quantity, the duration, short duration, root mean value modifier refers to the time duration 0.5 cycle to 30 cycles. So power quality, interharmonics component, a frequency component of periodic quantity that is not in integer multiple of frequency at which the supply is operating, 50 Hz or 60, and long duration root mean square there is a variation of the RMS value of voltage and current from nominal greater than 1 minute. The term is usually further described using a modifier indicating the magnitude of voltage variation under voltage for voltage interruption and momentary interruption. Type of short duration RMS voltage variation where the complete loss of voltage less than 0.5 per unit from one or more conductor is more than period 0.5 cycle to 3 seconds, and root mean square variation, a term often used to express the variation in RMS value of voltage or current measurement from nominal, see actual, momentary interruption, temporary interruption, sustained interruption under voltage and over voltage. The short duration RMS variation, a variation in the RMS value of the voltage current from for a time duration 0.5 cycles to the frequency but less than to 1 minute when the RMS variation is the voltage can be further described using a modifier indicating the magnitude of voltage variation, actual interruption, and the possibility of modifier indicating the duration of variation like instance, momentary, and temporary, and sustained interruption. A type of long duration root mean square voltage variation where the complete loss of voltage 0.1 on the one page or conductor is more than time. Temporary interruption, a type of short duration root mean square variation where the complete loss of voltage on the one or more conductor for a period of 3 seconds to 1 minute. And voltage change, a variation of root mean square on peak value of voltage between two consecutive levels sustained for definite unspecified duration. The voltage fluctuates is a series of voltage changes on cyclic variation of the voltage envelopes and voltage interruption. The disappearance of supply voltage of one or more phases is usually qualified as an additional term indicating the duration of interruption, momentary, temporary, and sustained. And waveform distortion study state deviation from ideal sine wave of power frequency, principally characterized by spectral content of the deviation. Now, for purpose of standardization, following additional terms definitions are also used, like accuracy. The accuracy of an indicated or recorded value is expressed by a ratio of the error of the indicated value on the true value is usually expressed in percent. Calibration, the adjustment of device to have design operating characteristic and the subsequent marking of the position of adjusting means for the making the adjustment necessary to bring operating characteristic into substantial agreement with the standardized scales or marking. Common mode voltage, the voltage that is at a given location appears equal to the in-phase from the each signal conductor to ground, and coupling the association of two or more circuit or system in such a way that power or signal information may be transferred from one system to another or circuit to another. And current transformer, an instrument transformer designed for use of measurement of control of current as in the metering. Dropout, a loss of equipment operation, discrete data signals due to noise by voltage and electromagnetic compatibility, a measure of equipment tolerance to external electromagnetic field, the ability to device, equipment, or system to function satisfactorily or its electromagnetic environment without introducing tolerance, electromagnetic disturbance to any other that of environment, electromagnetic disturbance, any electromagnetic phenomena that may degrade the performance of device, a piece of equipment or system. An equipment grounding conductor, the conductor used to connect the non-current carrying parts of conduit, raceway, and equipment enclosure to the grounding electrode that service equipment like main panel and secondary of separately derived system. In failure mode, the manner in which the failure occurs generally categorized as electrical, mechanical, thermal, or contamination. Now, frequency deviation, increase or decrease in power frequency from nominal. The duration of frequency deviation can be from several cycles to hours. Grounds are used to establish maintaining a potential of the earth or of the conducting body for approximately that potential on the conductor connected to it, and for conducting ground currents and to form earth on conducting body. Ground loop, the potential detrimental loop formed when two or more points in an electrical system that are nominally at ground potential are connected by a conducting path such as that either or both points are not at the same ground potential. Harmonic, a sinusoidal component of a periodic wave or quantity having a frequency that is an integer multiple of the fundamental frequency. Harmonic component, the components of harmonic content expressed in terms of order of root mean square value of the Fourier series term describing the periodic function. Harmonic content, the function obtained by subtracting the DC and fundamental component from non-sinusoidal function. The duration from the sinusoidal form expressed in terms of order of magnitude of Fourier series terms describing the wave. Distortion of sinusoidal waveform characterized by indication of magnitude of order of Fourier series terms describing the wave. Immunity to disturbance, the ability of device, equipment, or sense perform without degradation in the presence of electromagnetic disturbance. Impulse, a pulse that begins with the ends within the time so that it may be regarded mathematically as infinitely although the area remains finite and impulse is a surge of unilateral polarity. Isolated equipment ground and isolated equipment grounding conductors runs in a same conduit on the railway with the supply conductor. This conductor may be insulated from metallic raceway and all ground points throughout its length. Isolation, the separation of one section of system from a design influence of other sections. The maximum demand, the largest of particular type of demand occurring within the specified period. Momentary, when the usage is modified to quantify the duration of a short duration variation refers to a time range of 30 cycles to 3 seconds. Momentary interruption, a type of short duration, the complete loss of a point less than point per unit or more than one page conductor for a time period of 0.5 cycle to 3 seconds. And noise, electrical noise is unwanted electrical signal that produce undesirable effect on the circuit of control in which they occur. Nominal voltage, a nominal value assigned to the circuit or system for the purpose of converting its voltage clause like 20 volt, 120 volt, 15 through 27 section on a load that was non-necessary current waveform and the supply to an unsinusoidal voltage. A normal load, the voltage that appears differently between the two signal wires and that acts as a circuit in the same manner as that desired signal. Notes, a switching or other disturbance of the normal power voltage waveform lasting less than half a cycle, which is initially of opposite polarity, that is waveform, and is thus subtracted from normal waveform in terms of peak value of disturbance voltage. This includes complete loss of the voltage for up to half a cycle. Oscillator transient, a sudden nonlinear frequency change in the steady state condition of a voltage or current that includes either positive or negative polarity value over voltage. When used to describe the specific type of long duration variation refers to a measured voltage having a value greater than the nominal value voltage for a period of greater than 1 minute. This typically value is 1.1 to 1.2 seconds per unit. Phase shift, the displacement in time of one duration relative to another of same frequency and harmonic content. The potential transformer, an instrument transformer that is intended to have a primary winding connected to shunt with a power supply circuit that the voltage of which is to be measured or controlled. Power disturbance, any deviation from some nominal value or from some selected threshold based on load tolerance of the input AC power characteristic. Power quality, the concept of powering and grounding electronics equipment in a manner that is suitable for to the operation that equipment and compatible with the permissive wiring system and other connected equipment. And pulse, a wave that depart from initial for a limited duration time and ultimately return to the original. And sag, a decrease in the total mean value voltage or current for duration of 0.5 cycle to 1 minute. Typical values are 0.1 per unit to 0.9 per unit. Shield, a magnetic shield, usually copper or aluminum, applied over the insulation of conductor or conductors for the purpose of providing means for reducing electrostatical coupling between the conductors or shielded and other which may be susceptible or to may be generating unwanted noise in electromagnetic field. Static field shielding, the process of applying conductive barrier between a potentially distributing noise source and electronic circuitry. Shield are used to protect the cables, data and power and electronic circuit and sustain. When used to quantify the duration of voltage interruptions refers to time frame associated with long duration variation greater than 1 minute. Sustained interruption, a type of long duration variation, the complete loss of voltage less than 0.1 unit or one more the conductor for a time greater than 1 minute. Swell, increase in the root mean square voltage or current for a duration 0.5 cycles to 1 minute. The typical value is 1.1 to 1.8 per unit. Temporary interruption, any type of short duration variation, the complete loss of voltage less than 0.0 per unit on the one or more phase conductor for a time period of 3 seconds to 1 minute. Total demand distortion, root mean square harmonic current distortion in terms of maximum demand load current 15 to 30 minute demand. Point of common coupling, the type of the point at which the electrical utility and customer intervention occurs. Typically, this point is a customer side of the utility revenue meter. And total harmonic distortion, the harmonic factor, the ratio of the root mean square of the harmonic content to the RMS value of the fundamental quantity expressed as a percentage of fundamental tangent, the pertaining or designing a phenomena of a quantity which varies between two consecutive steady state during the time interval that is short compared to the time scale of interest. Under voltage, when used to describe a specific type of long duration variation refers to the measured voltage having a value less than the nominal voltage for a period of greater than 1 minute. The typical value 0.8 to 0.9 per unit. Voltage deviation from the nominal sine wave from the AC line voltage. The voltage imbalance, The ratio of negative to or zero sequence component to the positive sequence component usually expressed as a percentage in polyphase system. Voltage regulation, the degree of control or stability of root mean square voltage at the load often specified in relation to the parameters such as input, output voltage changes, load changes. So I think we stop here. Okay.